Hey guys, so just got the version 10 update and super excited about it because they added a whole bunch of new features, but the most important one to me was the smart summon or enhanced summon. So in addition to the regular summon which still exists on the car, which you could go back and forth, now it has a come to me option, which is exactly what it sounds like. So you hold the button and the car automatically steers and avoids obstacles and it comes to you. And the crazy thing is it avoided the curbs as well. There's also an additional option, which is go to target, so you could send the car to a different location if you want to, within a certain vicinity obviously. And again, you just hold the button and the car will go. So we ran through a few scenarios which you'll see, and be sure to check out the bonus scenario at the very end, which is definitely an interesting scenario. Bonus time! 2 Teslas being summoned at the same exact time. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, looks like a deadlock. One's waiting for the other. And a little too close for comfort here. And Kurama has to stop while Marshmallow continues. Go on, Marshmallow. Kurama is waiting. Coming, coming, coming. And summon failed. So not everything is perfect, but you hit that button again and it comes. It starts coming. But I gotta tell you, Tesla is really ahead of the game. Really ahead of the game. Just an overall fantastic job to the whole Tesla team, and I know they're just gonna make this thing better and better. So this car is truly amazing. And the awesome part is when new features like this come out and most people don't know about it, so some people were passing by and they're like, huh? Who's driving? Tesla is. Tesla. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe. I have a lot more content coming, and I'm going to go over some of the other version 10 features that Tesla came out with. Thank you guys for watching.